Epithalamin also slows down aging.
What if I told you that your body already makes a powerful anti-aging hormone every single night, and most people are blocking it without realizing? This hormone doesn't come in a pill. It doesn't come from a clinic. It's released naturally when you sleep at the right time. And when it flows freely, it helps your body repair, restore, and slow aging from the inside out. Barbara Neill is an internationally recognized health educator, speaker, and natural remedies expert.
Epithalamin also slows down aging. If you have a look, well, don't have a close look at some of the rock stars from the 60s. From a distance they might have brown hair and they might be slender, but look up close and they have aged incredibly. Why do I mention rock stars? Because what time do rock stars usually go to sleep? Not till incredibly late. I was reading one research paper that said that regular late nights has a similar effect on the body to alcoholism and drug addiction, because it's not allowing the body to revive and recharge every night.
There's a hormone released during deep sleep that quietly supports not only learning and memory, but also how well the body ages. This hormone is called epithalamin. You don't need to remember the name. What matters is the role it plays in keeping the body refreshed, resilient, and youthful over time. Epithalamin is released when we sleep deeply and consistently, especially when we go to bed early enough to align with the body's natural rhythm. During this time, the body doesn't just rest. It repairs, restores, and renews itself. Cells recover from daily damage, the brain clears waste, and tissues are given a chance to regenerate. This nightly renewal is one of the body's strongest defenses against premature aging. Now, think about what happens when this process is interrupted. A helpful example comes from looking at many rock stars from the 90s, 60s, and 70s. From a distance, they may still appear slender or stylish, but up close, the signs of accelerated aging are often very clear: deep wrinkles, tired skin, and worn features. Why mention rock stars? Because of the lifestyle that often comes with it. Late nights, irregular sleep, going to bed in the early hours of the morning, night after night. When someone regularly stays up late, the body misses its most important window for deep, restorative sleep. As a result, epithalamin is not released in the way it should be. Over time, this lack of nightly repair begins to show on the skin, in energy levels, in mental sharpness, and in overall health. In fact, some research has suggested that chronic late nights stress the body in ways similar to substance abuse. This doesn't mean staying up late is the same as alcoholism or drug addiction, but the effect on the body's recovery systems can be surprisingly similar. The body is repeatedly denied the chance to fully recharge. Damage accumulates faster than it can be repaired. Sleep is when the body pays off its daily debt. Every day creates wear and tear from stress, toxins, inflammation, and mental strain. Deep sleep is when that debt is cleared. Without it, the body slowly falls behind. Aging speeds up not because time is moving faster, but because repair is falling behind damage. This is why people who sleep well often look younger than their age, have clearer minds, and recover more quickly from illness or stress. They are allowing epithalamin and other sleep-related hormones to do their work, night after night. The message is not about perfection, it's about rhythm. Going to bed earlier, more often, gives the body permission to restore itself. It allows the brain to reset, the cells to renew, and the aging process to slow naturally. Deep sleep is one of the most powerful anti-aging tools we have. And it doesn't come from a pill, it comes from respecting the night. Let's discuss deeply what epithalamin is, why sleep timing matters, and how simple daily habits can help your body release more of it naturally. Epithalamin is a hormone released by the pineal gland, a tiny gland deep in the center of the brain. The pineal gland is sometimes called the body's master timekeeper. It responds to darkness, sleep, and rhythm. Epithalamin works closely with melatonin, but its role goes even deeper. Barbara Neill explains that epithalamin helps support learning and memory, encourage cellular repair, slow down biological aging, maintain mental clarity as we grow older. Think of epithalamin as your body's nighttime maintenance crew working while you sleep to repair what time is worn down. Here's the part most people don't realize. Epithalamin is released early in the night, not in the early morning hours. That means if you regularly go to bed after midnight, your body may miss the window when this hormone is produced. Barbara Neill often explains this with real-world examples. She points out how people who keep late nights for years, such as musicians, shift workers, or chronic night owls, may look fine from a distance, but up close, their skin, energy, and focus tell a different story. One research paper even suggested that chronic late nights affect the body in ways similar to long-term stress, addiction, or alcohol abuse. Not because of what they're doing at night, but because the body isn't allowed to fully repair and renew. Aging isn't just about wrinkles. It's about how fast your cells wear down. Epi-Thalamin supports DNA repair, cell regeneration, hormonal balance, slower biological aging. When this hormone is released regularly, the body stays in repair mode instead of breakdown mode. But without deep sleep, the body ages faster even if you eat well and exercise. Sleep is not optional, it's biological medicine. How to increase epi-thalamin naturally. The good news? You don't need supplements. You don't need expensive treatments. You need rhythm. Here's what helps. Go to bed before 10:30 p.m. Sleep in complete darkness. Reduce screens at least 1 hour before bed. Get natural sunlight in the morning. Keep sleep and wake times consistent. Barbara O'Neill often says, nature rewards regularity. When your body trusts your schedule, it releases its healing hormones freely. If this message gave you something to think about, you may choose to like this video so it can reach others who may benefit. If you value natural healing, deep sleep, and living in harmony with the body's design, subscribe to the channel and continue learning with us. And tonight, consider one small change. Turn the lights down, step away from the noise, and go to bed a little earlier. Your body knows how to renew itself. It simply needs the night. And comment below, what time do you usually go to bed? Your body is listening, especially tonight. Sleep well.